Hello and welcome to UnlockLife. You are listening to our Take It Easy series, which is made just for seniors. We hope you like it. In this episode, we will see how to create a Gmail account. A Gmail account is useful because it offers easy communication with family and friends, stores important emails and documents safely, and provides access to simple tools for sharing photos and managing appointments. Open Google and type Create a Gmail account. Now tap on Create a Gmail account and then tap on Create an account. Now again tap on Create account and tap on Personal Use. Enter your first and last name and then tap Next. Now enter your birthday and gender. Now pick a Gmail address or create our own. Let's tap on any one of the Gmail addresses. Now create a strong password, then rewrite that password. Now tap on Next. Now you will get a verification code when you enter your phone number. You can skip the part where they ask to add a recovery email. Now tap on Next and accept the terms and policies by tapping on I agree. And that's all for today. We hope this was helpful. You can download our app for more such tips. Download link is in the description below. Our app also provides assistance for any need seniors may have. Our library has a huge collection of music, videos, games, and many more for seniors. You can also join our exclusive social club for seniors to socialize, discover, and enjoy. You can also call or WhatsApp us at 98989 58411. Thank you and see you again soon.